Hey there, this is Heidi from Create with Heidi, and today I am going to show you how to make some fun Father's Day stickers. I'm using matte white printable sticker vinyl as well as holographic printable sticker vinyl. I'll also be using my awesome tech wrap tools. I'm going to be getting out one sheet of the matte vinyl and one sheet of the holographic vinyl. While I have these out, I just want to spread these out for you to see. They are beautiful and they're so fun. I highly recommend them. I'm using the sheet on the left, so I'm going to grab one of those and set it with my matte white and then put the rest of these away. Okay, now that I have those out, I'm going to set my envelopes to the side. I am going to be printing on the matte white first. The matte white is all of my Father's Day stickers. The holographic ones are just some fun, uplifting ones because I really wanted to use the holographic and show you how amazing it is. So, bonus from the Father's Day stickers. And here are all the Father's Day stickers. They turned out super cute. Okay, now I'm going to remove the plastic protectant from my cutting mat, and I'm going to start by putting my Father's Day stickers on the mat. I'm using my brayer to make sure that my vinyl is adhered really well to the mat. And now I'm ready to get these cutting. Okay, so the first thing my machine is doing is it's reading those black marks around the edge so it knows exactly how to cut. Okay, now that it's done reading those lines, it is cutting around the stickers and they are done. I am going to flip my mat over so that I can roll my mat away from my vinyl. I always flip it over and roll it away to prevent a curl in my paper or vinyl. Okay, all the stickers are cut. I'm going to remove the holographic from my mat, and now I'm going to cover up my cutting mat and we will move on to the fun part. Okay, so I tried to do a deeper cut so that I could rip all of the stickers out like you see me doing here, but it turns out that the cut wasn't quite deep enough. So instead of risking ruining any of the stickers, I decided to just cut them out and have excess white sticker paper around them. Those square ones, as you'll see here in a minute, I pulled off some of the excess around it. But other than that, the rest of them I just left how they were. All right, here they are all cut out. Now I am pulling out my tech wrap tools so that I can try and pull off some of that paper around the stickers. I wanted to pull those off because I felt like when whoever is ready to pull the sticker off of the backing, it'll be easier to get it off without that excess paper around it. Now with these rectangle ones, like I said, I pulled off the outside. I was able to do that with these ones. It's just the other ones that were difficult. I had a little bit of a hard time with this one, so I used my scissors to clean it up so that it would look nice. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is I am going to put some of these holographic stickers on my water bottle. I just was itching to try them out and show you how good they look once applied, and so I just grabbed a few random stickers so that I could show you. All right, there they are. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.